Christopher is wearing this awesome football shirt. And Christopher, what does your shirt say? Oops, stand up, please. What does your shirt say?
No.
Your shirt says touchdown. Show me what a touchdown is. There's a touchdown. Can you do touchdown again?
Yeah.
Touchdown. Oh, that's what Christopher created on his own for touchdown.
And the eggs.
And you just did some pee-pee in the big boy potty, right?
Yeah, I did some.
What do you get since you did pee-pee in the big boy potty? What did you earn?
I earned special prize.
A special prize? And tonight, what is your special prize?
M&M's.
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 You get M&M's for your special prize?
I bought brown.
Brown M&M's?
Yeah.
Okay, I can do that. Okay, let's do touchdown one more time. Touchdown! Yay, Christopher, I love you. You're a good boy.